This song is called No One Greater. I'm going to teach you half of the song, or actually the chorus, 2 words, and then I'll teach you the bridge to counts. The first part of the song says, "There's no one greater than our God." On that, you're going to say, "There's no one greater than." You're going to point to yourself to say, "Our," and then point up to God to say, "God." Okay? For that, you're going to cross your arms out in front to say, "There's," and then open it up on no. One, and then you're going to bring one leg up, greater, and then the same thing on the other side, then, and then for our, you're pointing to yourself and crossing your arms to say, "Our," and then on God, you're going to take one hand and put it by your face. The other hand you're going to put up to the sky, and you're just going to bounce 3 times, just like that, and have fun with it. Okay, one more time, a little bit more up to speed. Says, "There's no one greater than" who? Our God. Okay, the next part is going to say faithful and true. On faithful, you just push out to one side, faith, and then on full, push out to the other side, and then and true, you're going to bring one hand to your heart, and the other hand you're just going to have meltdown just like this. So you go faith, full, down on and then on true, one hand on the heart, and the other hand just melts down just like this. And that's actually the whole chorus, and you do that twice. So one more time. There's no one greater than our God. Clean. And then on faithful, you say faith, full, and true. Okay, and then from there, the first part of that second part of the chorus is actually the same words, so you do it again. There's no one greater than our God. And the only difference here is instead of bouncing 3 times, you're going to bounce just twice and bring your arms down. And then you're going to say, "We live our lives for you." On that part, you're going to take one hand and just have your foot slide out to the side, just like that. So your foot's sliding out and your hand is following your foot. And then you bend. Okay, so you follow, bend, and then the same thing on the other side. You follow and then bend. From there, you're just going to take whatever knee is up here, bring it back behind this leg, and you're going to turn. As you turn, you're going to point up to God. Just like this. All right, so you're going to turn. And you'll notice when you get back to the front, your feet are opposite cross this time. And then that's going to give you time to open on and 1. So one more time. You're here. You only bounce twice. And then you step in, slide, and bend. Slide and bend. Bring this leg behind. Look up to God. Let your arm melt down. And you open up on and 1. And that's your chorus. And for the bridge, you guys, this is really fun if you have a partner. And I'm going to teach you guys this part to counts. The first part is going to be a little slide that goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're just sliding to one side, back center, slide to the other side, and then come back center. So one more time, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on 5 and 6, you're going to go step, step, apart. So 5 and 6 is step, step, apart. And you're going to be facing your partner on this portion. On 7 and 8, you're going to do a little fun patty cake motion. So it's just like that. That's on 7 and 8. So 7 and on 8, you're going to clap, and you're also going to look back out to the crowd on 8. So the counts are like this. Okay, then from there, you're going to go to the one side and then to the other side, turning your head in a little swivel motion, like this. And you want to go opposite of your partner. And that's going to be on 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on 5, 6, 7, 8, you're just going to take 4 steps back to where you started from. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's your whole bridge. So one more time, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, open, 6, clap, 7, look, 8. Okay, then you're doing your little swivel on, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to your original position on 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're going to do that twice right before you get to start that chorus one more time. That's it.